Hello viewers, today is 15th August. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Today I am going to show you Tasar Ajrak with Tasar printed saris. Sari number 1. This is Tasar Ajrak with silk mark certification. I will show you the entire sari. See, Palla portion. Palla portion, these all are Gachi Tasar. Tasar Ajrak, original Tasar Ajrak with organic color. Here is the view, draping view. See the draping view. Price is 5950. See, this is the draping view of the sari. Palla portion. Price 5950. For booking, you can take a screenshot or mention the number. The color is rust color. As you know, all the tasars are very matte look. This is blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price is 5950. These are with silk mark certification. Sari number 2. Original Tasar Ajrak with organic color. Palla. This is Palla. Sari number 2. Here is the view. I will show you the draping view of each and every sari. These all are with silk mark certification. See, very comfortable, good quality tasar is this. This is mud color, actual mud color. Palla portion, and here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. You can use this blouse piece with some other sari also. Price is 5950. Sari number 2. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the number and send it back to my number 9330866384. Sari number 3. Sari number 3. Palla portion. Sari number 3. Palla portion. Here is the entire body. See, this is the entire body. This is maroon color, but in tasar all are very matte look. As you know, these all are Gachi tasar. Price 5950 with silk mark certification. See, here is the draping view of the sari. Palla portion. I will show you the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives, subscribe and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. Sari number 3. This is sari number 4. Yes, this is sari number 4, wine color, Palla portion. This is wine color, Palla portion. See the interview. See the interview. Here is the interview of the sari. These all are very good quality tasar with silk mark certification. All are Gachi tasar. Price 5950. Price is 5950. See, here is the view of the entire sari. Blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Then comes sari number 5, demanding green color. In Ajrak, green is very demanding. Palla portion. Here is the view. This is the body. Color is green. Material Gachi tasar. Price is 5950 with silk mark certification. You can see all the saris are tagged with silk mark certification. Here is the view. 5950. These are original Ajrak, Tasar Ajrak with organic color. Block print has been done with the organic color. Blouse piece. Then sari number 6, another green color. Another green color. Palla portion. Here is the body. See the entire body, very nice print with a blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece. Here is the view. For booking, please take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384, Palla portion. And here is the blouse piece. For any queries, you can call me in my number 9330866384. This is the blouse piece of this sari. Price 5950. Next one, sari number 7. Sari number 7. This is also very pretty. See the color combination. Palla portion. Palla portion. Entire body. See the entire body with this border. Here is the view. Viewers, if you like the program, share with your friends, relatives, subscribe and definitely press the bell icon to get the notification of next episode. Here is the blouse piece. See, this is the blouse piece with this sari. This is the blouse piece. Price 5950. These all are Gachi Tasar with silk mark certification. See another one. These all are, you can say this is deep chocolate color. Deep chocolate color. Palla portion. This is the body. Here is the body. Price same 5950. Price is 5950. See, here is the view. Here is the view of the entire sari. I will show you the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. We deliver pan India through courier, but you have to pay through Google Pay or internet banking. For Kolkata viewers, COD facility is available. Sari number 9. Sorry. Sari number 9. Palla portion. Palla portion. Sari number 9. See the view. See the entire view of the sari. How nice it is. See the entire view of the sari. See. This is the view. I will show you the blouse piece also. The blouse piece of this sari is also very interesting. And you can use the blouse piece of Ajrak with some other sari also. See. This is the view. Palla portion. Here is the blouse piece. This is sari number 9, 5950, sari number 9. Then sari number 10, powder blue color. This is not dark blue, this is powder blue. But very pretty and very demanding color. See, here is the view. Palla portion. This is the view of the sari. This is the view of the sari. I will show you the draping view. We don't have any extra shipping charges. We deliver pan India through courier. See, here is the view. Palla portion. Here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. These all are pure Gachi Tasar with silk mark certification. Another one. This is also blue color. Blue with black combination, Palla portion. See, here is the view. This is the view of the sari. All the tassels are very nice and very pretty, but all are single piece. If you want to book the saris, please do it fast. Here is the view, Palla portion, and this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Price 5950. Sari number 12. This is maroon color. Maroon color on tussar base. Here is the palla. Actually this is maroon with black combination. See how pretty it is. This is very nice one. See, here is a view of the sari. Here is a view. See the entire view. This is, and here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price 5950. Now here comes yellow. Sari number 13. Sari number 13. Palla portion. Here is the body. This is the body. These all are pure Ajrak saris with organic color. Pure Ajrak saris with organic color. Print has been done with organic color. See, here is the view. Sari number 13. Price is 5950. Palla portion. Blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 14. Another yellow. Even I am wearing a yellow sari, but my sari is on modal silk, and I am showing you all the tussar saris. See, palla portion. Here is the palla portion. This is the body. See the entire body. See the entire body, and the price is 5950. Here is the dripping view of the sari. This is the dripping view with silk mark certification. Price 5950. Sari number 14. Sari number 14. For booking you can take a screenshot or mention the number and send it back to my number 9330866384. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 15. Sari number 15. This is also powder blue with black combination. Palla portion. Here is the body, entire body. Price 5950. 5950. All the material are tussar, gachi tussar. Price 5950 with silk mark certification. Here is the palla portion. For booking you can take a screenshot or send it back to my number 9330866384. If you like the program, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode. Here is the blouse piece. Ajrak is over. Now I will show you some more tussar, zari border tussar, tussar printed tussar, zari border printed tussar. Sari number 16. Sari number 16. The color is royal blue. Palla portion. The color is royal blue. This is also gachi tussar, and the price is 4950. This is sari number 16. Price is 4950. Price is 4950. Sari number 16. Palla portion, and here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece, royal blue color. Sari number 17, black one. Black color zari tussar with color discharge. See, palla portion. Here is the palla portion. this is the entire body. Here is the entire body. Price 4950. These all are silk mark certified Gachi Tasar. Zari border Gachi Tasar. 4950. See, here is the palla. And this is the blouse piece. Next comes sari number 18. Sari number 18. Palla portion. Palla portion, these all are zari border Gachi Tasar. See, here is the view. This is the view of the sari. See the sari. Very unusual with red and maroon and black combination. See, here is the view of the entire sari. Price 4950, palla portion. And this is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 19. Sari number 19. Another one with rust and black combination. Palla portion. As you know, in the Zari Tasar there is no as such palla, but the body is different. See, here is the body portion. The color is rust and black. Here is the view. Price 4950. Price is 4950. And the blouse piece of this sari is also rust. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 20. Sari number 20. Here is the view. Palla portion. Palla portion. The color is peach color. See, peachish pink color. Very soft and sweet color. And see the entire body. The design will go like this way. This design will go like this way. Here is the view. See, price is 4950, palla portion, and the blouse piece of this sari is also of the same color. Here is the view. Sari number 21, a geometric design. Sari number 21, brown with black combination. Palla portion. Here is the palla portion. See the entire body. It is very unusual. See the entire body. Black with brown combination. Geometric design. The main thing is black. Main print has been done with the black color, and the border with this portion, this is brown. Here is the view, and the blouse piece of this sari is also brown. See, here is the blouse piece. Sari number 21, 4950. Last one of today's episode is sari number 22. This is a soft pink color. Soft pink color. Palla portion. With a skirt border. See, here is the view. Pink color with a skirt border. Price is same, 4950. Sari number 22, Gachi Tasar. Zari border, Gachi Tasar. See, this is the view, and the most interesting part is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Sari number 22. Now viewers, if you like the program, please share with your friends, relatives. Press the bell icon to get the notification of my next episode, and definitely subscribe. For my new viewers, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel. My contact number is 9330866384. You can book with the screenshot or with the sari number.